The National Gallery Singapore is ideal for appreciating various art forms, including paintings, photography, and sculptures by artists from diverse backgrounds. It's also great for admiring the beautiful architecture of the former City Hall and Supreme Court buildings. I always love going to galleries and museums. The staff of National Gallery Singapore are nice and polite. They guide us efficiently through the different galleries. The gallery is air-conditioned with several restrooms and a locker for your heavy bags. Very convenient. We just show the QR code to the reception and we were able to explore the beauty of this museum. We allot more time here as there is more walking. Well, better than walking outside in the bustling city. Worth a visit. We appreciate all the paintings and how Singapore culture evolve. A perfect activity if you're looking for a peaceful day while learning about Singapore through arts. The general admission ticket provided access to several galleries, but some were unfortunately closed. You have to allocate enough time when you visit to make sure you're able to check every gallery. It's a nice touch that there were friendly staff, not to mention they were smiling all the time, in every floor and gallery, ready to assist in case you're lost or you have questions about the artworks. You wouldn't want to miss this when you were in Singapore. The beauty, details and architectural was beyond words. Spent 4 hours here wandering around. Each floor is like opening a present. Each corner has its own story/beauty. The arts are stunning. The history is rich. It's very informative. I also compare the price of the activity from actual to Klook. It's cheaper to book here, smiling face emoji. Visiting the National Gallery Singapore was an inspiring and immersive experience that allowed me to dive deep into the region's vibrant art scene and rich cultural heritage. The gallery features 2 permanent exhibition halls, the Singapore Hall and the Southeast Asia Hall, which together house over 10,000 pieces of art. I was particularly captivated by the thoughtful curation of works that trace the evolution of Southeast Asian art, blending modernity with tradition. The galleries offered a comprehensive look at Singapore's artistic heritage while also highlighting the broader cultural and historical influences of the region. I loved the art collections as well as the architecture of the building. I went on a Saturday morning, right after the building opened. Not a lot of people yet and you are free to roam around as long as your pass allows it. In love with this museum. It's the old City Hall and Judge Hall and it was perfectly renovated and incorporated a lot of amazing art from amazing artists. 1100's experience. P.S. Amazing view of the city in the top floor. So many exhibits to learn from. Love the atmosphere here. Amazed how many art pieces they have, like the ones you only read from books. The guides at the museum were also very informative and friendly. Good experience. You just have to present the voucher to the receptionist in exchange of the physical ticket. The employees are very approachable and accommodating to the museum goers. I will definitely book this again in Klook. The first of its kind, this large-scale museum exhibition took a comparative approach in exploring Southeast Asia and South America's shared colonial history and stories. Among the many works featured at the exhibition were by Southeast Asia and South America's premier revolutionary artists, including our very own Fernando Amorsolo, Carlos Francisco and Victorio Adades. Their paintings were shipped all the way from Manila, Mexico's Diego Rivera and Frida Kahlo, and Indonesia's Samsur Sion and Basuki Abdullah, sparkling heart emoji, visited just before we checked in the hotel. An hour was enough to explore the museum and all its floors. It was nice that there were artworks from different Southeast Asian countries. I saw works from my home country and was fascinated by the variety of works on display. Enjoyed just before the Eras tour. Yesterday, I had a fantastic experience at the National Gallery Singapore, exploring it with a general admissions ticket. As a Southeast Asian, being surrounded by artworks from my cultural background eased my homesickness. The gallery's spaciousness and beauty highlight an impressive collection of pieces by renowned artists. I was also moved by the sight of Singaporean students immersing themselves in the world of art through educational tours. It's heartening to witness young minds engaging with their own culture and the broader world of art.